welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you want my little doll, I got stuck. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. In today's video, I am doing the Noriko Angelica in the partial monofilament top. So I have plenty of videos on Angelica. After I do this review, I will be filming a comparison video to show you what the basic cap Angelica and what the partial monofilament cap, pros, cons, similarities, differences, all that. But for today, let's just start with the partial monofilament wig. So this is a Noriko wig and it comes in this box. The newer ones have like a holographic stitch. Hold on. If you can, I don't know if I can catch it. I don't know if I can catch it. Anyway, they're holographic. And this girl is, oh, I need my Deets.
I gotta get my Deets ready. Cause we need the Deets.
I'm just like on fire. I have Angelica partial monofilament in Nutmeg F. That's the color of this wig. I got this wig from Poshmark. It was listed for $115. I got it from Bellewigs for $83.95 because I had bundled it and gotten a discount that way. She retails on, let's see, wigs.com, Wig Studio One, Best Wig Outlet, Head Covers, Unlimited. She's retailing for between $350 and $375. Noriko in the partial monofilament, I will put up all the clips of me sort of showing her cap construction and getting her together as I'm talking. But Noriko the Angelica is a partial monofilament part. The other part of the cap is wefted and basic. I have her in the size average, okay? And it is not heat safe. So I don't even want to say cons, but pros and cons. I do love a partial monofilament top. I really, really do. It gives you more options in terms of styling because you can sort of set the part where you want to. If you were purchasing a more affordable wig, their top like that would be called free parting. Similar. So this is one from Harlem 125. And as you can see, this is Miss Ty. Let's look at Ty. This is a free parting wig where, you know, you can part it sort of anywhere you wanted to part it. You can look at it. So you can see, yeah, so you can part it anywhere you want to part it. That's just one thing. When people are buying, this is just total rant, but I know that a lot of people like name brand wigs because they offer the partial monofilament and monofilament tops. Just know that in more affordable wigs, they are called free by free parting, 4x4, 13x6. That's just the dimensions of what you can do. So you can get that in a more affordable version. If you'd like me to do a video of the differences and similarities between monofilament parting and free parting and the price differences, I can do that as well. Okay. Back to this girl. I absolutely love Angelica in general as a wig. I wasn't sure how I would feel about this color. It does have beautiful reading on it, so I really like that. It is more of a like honey blonde situation, a warmer tone blonde, which is fine. I mean, I don't hate that. I do gravitate towards cooler tone blondes, but I think this one is beautiful. And I don't hate it. The other Angelica that I have is in the color Macadamia Root LR, so it's a long root, so the rooting is coming down a little bit further. I do love the highlighting on here. Like I said, it's like a honey blonde, honey brown, highlights, lowlights, and then it is highlighted with this sort of, you know, very light platinum blonde, 613 type of blonde. I think that if you want a little bit more versatility, the monofilament part of the Angelica would really be good. The only weird thing is this. So on the cap, it has this strip here, which is, let me take her off, which is a silicone strip, and this is meant for sort of adhesive, so you can glue it down right there in the front. But if you can see, when you lay it down, let me put her back on. So when I put the wig on, oh, she has bendable ear tabs too, which is really nice if you wear glasses or when you're wearing a mask or just for fit purposes in general. You can see that there's almost hair underneath this section. So if you look, do you see that here is the strip to glue, and there's hairs right in front of it. So this is the bottom. And then when you flip, here is the strip here. So there's a little section after that. So it almost is like those hairs are underneath the wig. And it just keeps driving me crazy because I feel like I just have hair that's accidentally tucked underneath the wig. So I do think in setting this monofilament part, you really do need to make sure that it doesn't, you just have to be careful of that. I think if you style it the right way, no one will really notice. I tend to think people don't really notice wig parting spaces in general, but unless it's like super obviously wiggy. That's just something to point out. Other than that, she's beautiful. I love, oh, the other thing is, if you saw me, I did set the part, this is not a heat safe, so I set the part without heat, using clips and hairspray and just letting it dry. It did help a little bit, but if you can see, this is just my pet peeve. I don't like when fibers go forward like that. I like them to go more back. So she would probably, I'd need to set her on a wig head and set her part a little bit better. I did purchase a bunch of styling tools that can be used cold, and so I'm gonna see how that works. If not, I'm gonna have to take a steamer to her because I have to have her fibers going back. If you would like me to test out some of those cool temperatured styling tools on this wig specifically, then go ahead and put that down below. This isn't one I'll be getting rid of just because I don't have another Noriko wig in this color, and I want to use it for color comparison, and I also want to do a comparison video for the basic cap Angelica. So in general, if you are preferring a monofilament part, you just like them and you just want them, then great, go for this style. It is a little bit more expensive than the traditional Angelica. I will go through all that in the comparison. If you like the basic cap Angelica, you'll probably like this one too. I love them both. And if you have this one, you'd probably like the basic cap one too. So I think, you know, they are very similar. You can definitely tell they're the same style. You know, it's not so different that you're like, wait, these aren't even the same wig. But I am eager to see what the side-by-side is all about. So that's what I have for you for this wig review. Please check out my name brand wig playlist. It'll have all the name brand wigs that I've already reviewed. And also, if there's another Noriko wig that you would like me to review that is not in there, go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, take right now, go ahead and subscribe, click the bell, all that, notifications. If you have, thank you so much, you're my doll baby. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.